In this video, we will see how to use the latest GPT-5 in SEO Writing AI. You can use the link in description to open SEO Writing AI and then log in using your Gmail ID. Now, let's say you want to generate only one article using GPT-5. Click here on one-click blog post, scroll below, and here we have the option of selecting our AI model. Here we have GPT-5 selected. You can see we have enabled GPT-5 and you can enter the remaining details and start generating your single SEO optimized article. But if you want to generate multiple articles at once, then click here on bulk article generation and then follow the same steps to enable GPT-5. If you want to get a 25% discount in SEO Writing AI, then you can use the coupon code WBExplainer on the final page. If you want to know about an amazing AI tool that can build websites from scratch, then you can check this video right here. If you liked this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in a new video.